This is my review on the EKFC Terminal Dual Parallel 3-slot edition. The EKFC Terminal, or Terminal as I'm going to call for short, is basically an apparatus that connects the two GPU and turns it into like a single apparatus. It's really kind of hard to explain it until you really see it. And so right now the video you see is just me just going unboxing and actually just kind of gonna show you how to actually install this EKFC terminal. So the first thing I like you to note is that there are these 6 little holes you see on there. It's kind of hard to see. I'm a bit shaky, so my camera's a bit shaky. But the 6 holes you see on the front cover, so the one like the upside, the one with the EK logo, is those 6 little holes are screw holes. Those 6 screw holes, or where you get those 6 screws, are actually from the GPU itself. I'm gonna show you how to do that later. And at the bottom side, you would see, like just now, you saw these 4 slim kind of little oval things. These are what's actually going to connect to your GPUs. And on the sides, like you saw a bit before, was you saw 2 empty holes and one like kind of silver circle thing. Okay, and so these 3 things, the 3 circles on the sides are the screws, or not screws, like they're where you put your screw in your fittings. And if you don't know what a fitting is, the fitting is the thing you kind of connect your hose to. So the EKFC dual parallel 3 slot. Why is it the 3 slot? So the idea of what it means by 3 slot is that we're like there is a 2 slot gap between the GPUs, and some motherboard actually have that, some don't. And so there's a 2 slot and a 3 slot edition. And since my one has the 2 slot gap, not a 1 slot gap, I need to buy the 3 slot edition. And so for what parallel means is, parallel is kind of the way the water flow works. So there's 2 ways. There's a parallel way where they just have 2 parallel pipes connecting to each GPU, and they have, I think it's called the serial, um, which is basically it's not really 2 like continuous parallel tubes. One of the tubes is actually is shorter, and there's like a gap in the middle. Well, not like a gap filled in the middle, to put it that way. And that is just another way of cooling. There's honestly no difference with them. I just bought the parallel because it was just available at that time, and so that's the reason I bought it. So as you can see, from the past, I removed the 3 screws from the GPU, from the GPU water block, and this is the final product of what it's supposed to look like. It looks a lot more rigid now, and it actually is just really nice. So this is my review of the EKFC terminal and how to install it.